What's up, guys? Today we have another Keyring toy cap gun, and here it is. So it comes in this synthetic leather pouch, metal keyring, button clip on clip it. There's the inside of the pouch. Does it say? No, there's nothing written there. And Victory, made out of die-cast metal, plastic on the handle. And I think this is like the World War type guns. Don't know if it's the German side or whatever. Looks pretty cool. All right, so how it works is you put the, well, first you have to lift up this metal section here. You put the cap in there, then you pop it down. Once you pop it down, you have to pull this all the way back. This is the hammer, and then you press, or you pull the trigger, and there you go. That's actually pretty strong. Yep. And that's it. There we have it. That is the toy cap gun, and it's so small. It's about maybe 2.5 inches, 2 inches in length from here to here. Yep, that's it. Goes back in the pouch. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.